The .NET framework has many cryptography classes. In this course, you're only going to use the widely used Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES, but you'll be able to apply the skills you learn to implement any of the others. The AES encryption standard is used by the US government to encrypt its secret information. The security of encryption depends on the length of the encryption key. AES can use encryption keys that are 128, 192, or 256 bits long. With a 256-bit encryption key, the fastest computer in the world would take thousands of years to crack the encryption. You're using a 256-bit encryption key in this example. To begin this lesson, open the Textland project from your Sample Files folder. And open the code behind file of encryption.aspx. Now, you'll need to add code to prepare the AES encryption algorithm. Add the following code at the end of the button Encrypt. Click Event Handler. AES algorithm equals AES.create. AES algorithm.key equals encryption key. AES algorithm.iv equals initialization vector. This code creates an AES object and sets its encryption key and initialization vector to the values you prepared in Lesson 3.1. The AES class is in the system.security.cryptography namespace. The other encryption algorithms in the system.security.cryptography namespace behave in a very similar way to the AES class. These include DES, which is the Data Encryption Standard, and has been superseded by the AES standard. MD5, which is the Message Digest algorithm, and was once used to encrypt website requests, but it has since been proven to be insecure. And SHA, which is the algorithm that is currently used to encrypt website requests. Now you'll add code to encrypt the binary data. Add the following code on the next line to create a new memory stream object. Using memory stream into memory equals new memory stream. The memory stream class is very similar to the stream class you worked with in Lesson 2.3. The memory stream class is specifically designed to work with binary data that is stored in memory, as opposed to binary data stored in a file. The memory stream object will be used to receive and store the encrypted binary data from your encryption algorithm. Now add the following code inside the using statement. Using CryptoStream encryption stream equals new CryptoStream stream into memory AES algorithm dot create encryptor CryptoStream mode dot write. The CryptoStream class comes from the system.security.cryptography namespace. It's a special kind of stream object that is used to encrypt and decrypt data. The first argument tells the CryptoStream object to write the encrypted data into the stream into memory object. The second argument contains the object that provides the encryption algorithm. That's the AES object. And the third argument tells the CryptoStream object that it is going to write information into the stream-into-memory object rather than read from it. Now, add the following code inside the using statement. Encryption stream dot write bytes to encrypt 0 bytes to encrypt dot length. This code tells your CryptoStream object to carry out the encryption and write all of the encrypted data into the stream-into-memory object. The stream-into-memory object will now contain an encrypted version of the data. Finally, you'll need to add code to extract and display the encrypted data. Add the following code outside the second using statement, but still inside the first using statement. Byte encrypted bytes equals stream-into-memory dot to array. This code extracts the encrypted data from the stream-into-memory object and places it into a byte array. Now add the following code on the next line. String encrypted string equals convert dot to base 64 string encrypted bytes, and text box encryption dot text equals encrypted string. This code converts the encrypted data back into a string and displays it on the page. The convert.toBase64 string method is used to convert the byte array back into a string. Unlike the encoding classes, Base64 guarantees that the resulting string can later be converted back into a byte array without any fear of corruption. This is because Base64 converts each sequence of 3 bytes into 4 ASCII characters. Now, let's test the page. View encryption.aspx in your web browser. And click Encrypt. The military orders are encrypted into a meaningless series of characters. You could be confident that nobody will be able to decrypt the text without the correct encryption keys. In the next lesson, you'll write code that will enable you to decrypt this data back into its original form. Close your web browser now, and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 3.2, Encrypt Data using the AES Standard.